My name is Shayne Hedahl. I own Special Interest Auto Body in Everett, Washington, and my role is both visionary and implementer within my company. In our business, one of the biggest problems we've had is getting the volume of customers to come to our shop. Because insurance companies don't recommend our shop. We don't work directly with insurance companies. So with that, there's a lot of benefits to the customer, but getting them to our shop has been difficult. So we went from a volume shop of doing about 200 cars a month down to about 80 cars a month, and we wanted to increase that volume. We wanted to get more customers to our door, and so that was probably one of our biggest problems we've struggled with over the last 3 or 4 years. The challenges that we had are probably more than I can think of right now, but I would say probably the biggest challenge is when customers know that they may have to pay out of pocket a portion of that repair if their insurance company doesn't cover the repair. And that's a big ask. We do try to help customers understand that we are their advocate, where if they go to a shop where they're partnered with an insurance company, then they have two people that are just focused on cost. Where at our shop, we really do focus on the quality of the repair and putting that car back to pre-accident condition. We discovered Tractable AI simply because the CEO, Venkat, lives close to us. And he really, as he developed the vision for this project, reached out to Ryan Taylor with Body Shop Booster. We are a Toyota certified shop, and so that was the connection. And last March, Venkat and Ryan and I, we went to lunch and we went to various dealerships and we pitched this idea to see what the interest level was. And so really my opportunity to meet Tractable AI is simply where I live, and because we're a unique shop and we were willing to partner with them. Tractable has opened up incredible doors to bring more customers to our facility through the dealerships. And we are fortunate enough to have a dealership who has been the best. And I think that is key. Rodland Toyota has been an incredible partner, allowing us to put a machine in their service lane where cars can drive through, to complete an estimate, an AI estimate, that customer can then come to our shop, and they know what to expect. They know what to expect in the price, they know what to expect in the time frame, and the dealership has been an incredible partner through that process. It also has solidified our partnership with Toyota, with Rodland Toyota in particular. Yeah, additional positive impacts that Tractable AI has done for our business is definitely the assurity to the customer of knowing what to expect on their own terms. They don't have to feel like they're debating or negotiating with us as a shop. They get a clear answer up front on what to expect on that time frame and the cost of the repair. For the peers of our industry, other body shops, I would want them to know if they're looking to get more customers to their door, Tractable AI has a wonderful solution. It also solidifies the relationship you have with a dealership. That dealership many times can see hundreds of cars per day through their service lane. Where body shops typically on a good day may see 10, 15, 20 cars per day. So this opens up the ability, the opportunity to bring many more customers to your door. On top of that, it really does strengthen the relationship you have with the dealer. You can imagine if you have a product in your local dealership that can bring more customers to your door, those customers are going to go back to the dealership and explain what a wonderful experience they had. That dealership is not looking for another body shop to do business with.